What's up, everyone? So today's video is going to be some light modifications to the e92 M3. I got some parts from the company Bimmertech, so we're going to get those installed. I'll show some quick clips of the installation process, but everything is super straightforward. I'm excited. It's going to show a little more style on the inside of the car. The first one is the third brake light. It adds like an F1 style like flashing effect when you push the brakes. And then the next one will be the ambient footwell lights on the inside. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys, they're having a huge Black Friday sale, 10% off, extra 5% on certain items, and with my coupon code, so I'll put that in the description. They have tons of stuff for all BMWs. This specific light setup is for 2007 and up, but they have all kinds of stuff over there, so make sure to check them out. So here's the third brake light modification from Bimmertech. Really simple install. You pull down your cover for your third brake light, unplug your third brake light right here. You plug in this harness to your factory connection, and that's it. So I just tuck the harness up in there above the headliner and put the connector back in its factory holding, so you don't have any rattles or anything like that, and it looks nice and clean. So this is their harness for your footwell light modification, all nice and pre-wired and everything ready to go. So you just got to install it in the car. I already kind of started doing it. These are my old bulbs. So you pop these lights out of your footwell covers. Another cool feature about the footwell lighting is it's adjustable for your brightness. Right there's a little flathead screw. So you can adjust the brightness of the footwell lights. So before I wire it, I'm just going to kind of show you what the process is like, show you how easy it is and how quick it's going to be. So once you pull your panels down, your footwell panel, you pull your panel down, and then you run your harness across from your passenger side to your driver's side. But in their video, they have instructions on their website, which is really nice, step by step. I ran it through here in the front of the center console. There's just a big hole right here that I reached my fingers through and ran the harness. They run theirs back here. I guess there's another gap somewhere right here. This, you just pretty much have to zip tie up in there by your fuse box. And then this goes to the second slot up here. So it's going to go to that slot right there. And then your ground, so you have your ground cable right here. So I'm just going to loosen up this T30 and put the ground in there, because this is all a nice chassis ground, and we'll test it after that. Put your hand up in there, pull your harness through, you'll feel it, and you'll be right here at the other side. So once you get this footwell panel back up, you can tuck this, you won't see it, and now that one is plugged in too. So I just have to kind of tap into your light switch. So when you turn your headlights on, this is your control for your footwell lights. So your footwell lights will turn on when your headlights are on at night. You can see this is the new harness for the Bimmertech lights, and then I'm just tuck the harness behind the carpet so it looks nice and clean. So the light adjustment is in here. So right there you can adjust how bright you want the lights. So yeah, that wraps up the video today. Pretty quick, easy, simple. Just wanted to show you guys the lights and the company I was able to work with. So go check them out. Use my coupon code in the description. And yeah, see you guys next time.